Talkadot is a game changer, specifically because it allows for me to have objective feedback. Sometimes you go into a workshop, they're like, man, I finished up with these students. I feel like I did good. I think I did good. I'm not sure. But what Talkadot does is it allows you, like for instance, I'll show you on my reports, right? So I did a workshop. I got 47 responses. 100% found it valuable. 100% want to hear me speak again. 96%, 95, whatever. Look at these student testimonials and feedback though. So what Talkadot actually does, the way that you actually make your money back from it is by using it, and then you send this report to the director and say, hey, 100% of your students loved it, and 100% of your students want me to talk again, and so how can we make everybody's dreams come true, right? But you can't do it without the data, and so this really pays for itself. Phenomenal tool, easy to use, QR codes, it's excellent, and I'm really grateful for the guys at Genius Potential for recommending it to me. It's been a game changer for my business. Get it. If you ain't got it, go get it.